delicious.
Gorgeous. Thank you so much. We have 3 different kinds of snappers.
I don't know which 3, but I'm gonna try this one first. This is great.
So flaky and soft.
Let's try the second one.
This one's even better. I don't know. I can't even tell.
I love it.
A little more flavor in the middle.
Let's try number 3.
The third one is a little more mild.
Oh my goodness. I thought this wasn't gonna be so hard, but I cannot tell the difference if it's the same fish or a different kind of fish. I think maybe I've been fooled. I think it's the same fish.
I really can't tell the difference between any of them, but the third one I loved. It was really, really firm.
You know what? I'm gonna try it for the second time, and this time I'm really gonna pay close attention and see if I find a difference.
It just was really great. The second one I loved as well. It's very tender and juicy, Chef. I don't know what you did, but this was really good. Wow.
Basically tastes the same for me. The chef. Very nice job, chef.
Aren't they all Caribbean Reds?
Which one you think is which?
I really think that the first one I'm gonna say is a yellowtail.
I think I'm gonna throw it out there. I think this might be lane snapper.
The first 2 will be the red and the yellowtail.
I think the second one in the middle was a lane.
I think it might be red snapper.
And I believe the third one was a Caribbean Red.
The third one will be the lane snapper.
Yellowtail, because it's the final one.
I think, I believe.
Am I a little bit right on that? Did I get it?
Which one would you say is your favorite?
My favorite would be the first 2, because it has more like a snapper flavor, like more like sea, sabor a mar, like.
Let me tell you something. The yellowtail, I loved. It was firmer. I couldn't even believe it. The yellowtail, I loved.
But they are amazing. It's hard, Chef, for me to figure out the difference. They're so good.
Everybody just thinks that the Caribbean Red is the one. But honestly, the yellowtail for me is the one. It's firm, it's light. That was my favorite, the last one. So you just said it was the yellowtail. Bon appetit.